Wherever the vowels they orbit, you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
So thank you so much for being here, for making time. It's actually our first time, I think, na gumawa ng ganito kasi usually nagigig lang kami ganyan. So this is different and we really hope na you enjoy our new songs nga and itong intimate vibe. And of course, sana ma-enjoy nyo rin yung songs and yung set ni Tota. Yan. So again, thank you and enjoy lang everyone.
Steady naman. We have continuous gigs monthly thanks to Superstar, thank you sa mga gigs at sa mga nag-invite. Aside from that, syempre naging busy dito sa EP launch na to. But then, kahit na may mga releases kami na ganito, nire-ready din namin yung mga susunod na kanta. So, grind lang. Yun yung buhay namin ngayon. Ayun, very nostalgic kaming people. Very sentimental, ganyan. Nag-start kasi siya sa Para Bago. Yun I think yung first song talaga na nasulat for this EP. Tapos yun yung time na happy moment lang talaga, nasa car. Tapos suot ako, sabi ko, ito yung mga moments na sana may nagpipicture lang sa atin or may nagbe-video lang. Gusto lang natin minsan i-capture lahat ng to. Even if we can't with our phones all the time or our cameras. Basta sa utak natin. So personal experience, syempre, yung inspiration nito. And then, sumunod na rin yung mga iba kasi na-establish na namin yung vibe from Para Bago and then sumunod na from sa Miss na Kita tsaka Basta. Nasulat ko siya one morning, gumising lang ako, tas parang emotional ako for some reason. Parang, sabi ko, parang nami-miss ko yung sarili ko before, yung dati, ganyan. Kaya naturally lang talaga siya nasulat. But of course, at the same time, kahit personal siya, nilagay lang namin yung sarili namin in one another's shoes and sa shoes ng listeners ulit na this can be a song about longing in general and anyone who's ever lost someone pero naglilinger and chine-cherish mo pa rin yung tao. Or Para Bago, yung the moments that you're in, we wish na sana may nagka-capture lang talaga ng bawat moment. Pero unrealistic naman yun, parang hindi naman tayo
May
like,
sumusunod
nasa
na
reality show
photographer,
or what.
photographer, ganun.
Pero gusto lang namin sabihin doon na if we can capture all these moments, we would. Para pwede natin ulit-ulitin kahit how many years from now. For Basta, I think doon na namin nilabas yung basta, yung whatever na childlike, namin, feels namin. Pero, compared dun sa other two songs na sinasabi na outright na gusto ko maalala to, these are my memories. Ito naman kasi is about letting go of the bad memories para you make room for the good ones. Yun yung mga gusto mo maalala. Parang sinasabi dun na kung babalik ka, wag na nating balikan. Handa ako para sa'yo. So parang yung mga nasa past natin, pwede silang bumalik, pero I will not hold a grudge against you. Let's just make happy memories now na pwede natin maalala. Share ko lang, syempre hanggang kailan hindi siya original song namin, it's a rendition. Pero nakakatawa lang kasi yun yung mga SoundCloud days. So, shinare. Di ba yun yung times na 2015 talaga na nagko-cover lang talaga kami.
Upload cover.
Oo, upload cover lang. May nag-upload ng mga cover na yun. So, sabi namin, okay, we want to own the song, syempre. So, gumawa na lang din kami ng rendition namin. At natanggal na rin yung mga illegal uploads na yun.
Different perspective rin. Kasi different yung flavor ni The Vowels They Orbit, but also, as we know, si Mr. Clem, syempre, guy, singing Hanggang Kailan. Pero this time, si Nika putting her own twist. And syempre, from a different POV naman. So, may contrast and masaya na you can look at and rather listen to two versions. Same song, different rendition, pero yung POV is different and kung paano pagkakanta, pagka-present.
I think yung halo siya parang experience kasi nakaka-relate ka. Pero babaliin mo talaga para maging mas general experience siya for everyone.
Yes.
Most especially sa Basta. Parang yun yung mas conceptual. Kasi galing siya sa word lang talaga na Basta, tapos nag-start Basta ganon, basta yun na yun. Parang yun yung naging conceptual. Tapos finit na lang talaga siya sa team. Yung para bago Mista Kita mas personal experience and syempre hindi naman ako like solo artist. So ang process talaga is when I write, I keep it for a while, make sure na gusto ko siya. And then, saka ko pinaparinig sa kanila, get their thoughts about it. And then, nagtatry din kami gumawa ng demos, like at home, ganun, para lang malagay namin yung bawat flavor ng each member and each instrument. But then there were times na dinala agad sa studio. So,
Actually.
with the producer, with Sir Darwin, with Kuya Rames, Kuya Buddy. Parang mas ganon yung nangyari this time.
This one, yeah.
Parang pasok agad
Let's go.
sa studio.
Tapos doon na mag-aayos.
Yung hanggang kailan yung may demo talaga kami
Ayan.
na recorded. But the rest, studio na agad.
I think lyrically we haven't, as a whole, haven't tried yet. Yun yung gusto naming matry, to write songs as a band. And I think mostly dun papasok sa feels, I would say pegs, or yung mga narinig namin, and more on the individual parts namin, and not the lyrics, na dun kami nagkakaroon ng okay ba ganito, will this fit the vibe, but then again, we want to help Nika and say na meron kaming nasulat as a band later on. So,
Parang mas ako yung nag-initiate,
Yeah,
pero I seek
initiator.
all of their opinions pa rin. Syempre hindi lang kaming apat to sa creative process. Super laking help, and yung actually the chunk of it comes from our producers. So again, si Sir Darwin, and then in-arrange siya ni
Kuya Rames,
Kuya Rames, Kuya Buddy from Eraserheads. Sila yung may malaking impact. So sila yung nagsabi na bawasan natin ng lyrics to, wag mo nang i-add tong part na to.
or
So,
ilipat yung part at dito.
Yeah. Collaboration talaga siya with everyone involved sa studio.
Something they can they listen to pagka mahaba yung biyahe nila, or nagsisenti lang sila late at night, 3 a.m. ganyan. Miss na miss kita. And yung parang yung road trip ba na parang umuulan, ganyan.
Ikaw yung main character.
Sa bintana, nakalin ka sa bintana. tapos
Para to sa
nakatingin ka
mga main character pala. The extra late night siguro.
Yes.
Kasi kahit
youth.
nag-go-overnight, pag sinabi kong overnight, literal natutulog kami. Dati
Yeah.
parang puyatan
Yeah.
Yung
2 a.m., 3 a.m. Ngayon, we sleep at 12.
The youth.
yeah. Though not a lot has changed naman
Yeah.
from when we were younger. Siguro yun lang.
Energy.
Energy.
Talagang
Health.
What? Be healthy, guys. Be healthy.
Cherish life. Don't be afraid to acknowledge your emotions also. If you're feeling down, if you're feeling you miss someone, if you're feeling that minsan we get sentimental, kahit happy yung nangyayari, di ba? Parang may ganong feeling na hala, mamaya malungkot na to, malungkot na ako. I mean, just the mere fact that you can acknowledge those feelings, sana yun yung para makuha nila dito. But ayun, yung takeaway lang na cherish every day.
Don't take life for granted.
Oo,
And your loved ones.
wag kayong mahiya or makornihan sa pag-take ng videos, ng pictures. Sometimes, like now, it's like, oh, picture ka ng picture dyan. Hindi. You will regret it if you don't. Mas ganun.
And tell your loved ones na thank you for caring about me. Kasi I'm sure they feel the same. Like, probably shy rin sila to say that sa'yo. So, ayun, just to add to that.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Gigs, of course, di naman nawawala. Ina-announce naman namin yun sa social media namin. The VTO, THEVTO. On Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We have YouTube din. But of course, as artists, we just keep creating. We have songs ready that we're already working on. We don't know kung kailan siya mare-release. Though it's a dream for us to release an album. I think EP ulit yung next. And then after that, let's see where we go. Pero we just keep writing new music.
The grind never stops. Gusto ko lang maalala yung lahat na ito, the opportunity, the people, the chance to share what we're doing with you guys kasi we're all enjoying it naman. So gusto ko maalala yung opportunities na to.
Gusto ko lang maalala ikaw.
Gusto ko lang maalala yung moment na to. I think collectively, that's how we feel. Minsan lang to, we're only this age once. The three of us are turning 30 next year. Gusto lang namin maalala yung years na to. Yeah.
Ayun, gusto kong air-word pero ang hirap. Pero parang ganun din bagsak. Gusto ko lang maalala itong mga to. Kasi ayun nga, ang bilis. Parang lahat na ngayon, ayun, mag-30 na tayo. Fast-paced. Parang ang dami nang iniisip. Hindi tulad dati na parang, ayun, kaya magpuyat hanggang alas 8 umaga. Ganun, walang tulong tayo. Ngayon, parang dapat alagaan mo sarili mo kasi may iba kailangan ko pang gawin. That type.
Hi, we're the Vowels They Orbit. Please stream our new EP called Gusto Ko Lang Maalala. See you!